Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to AussieMotoVlogs. Today I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a treat if you're new to Sydney or visiting from out of state, whatever. I'm going to be taking you to a pretty nice little touristy spot where the views they're absolutely incredible. Hopefully the wind stays down and I can get the drone in the air for you as well. But we are heading out to a place called Stanwell Tops. There is a dog beach just a little bit further down the way from where we're going, as well as it's a very biker heavy area. At least last time I went there, it was like biker's paradise. It was to the point where there's, I think, like a dedicated cafe there where, at least every time I've been there, it's just nothing but bikers. Big Bang Burgers, I've never heard of them before. They sound interesting. Might have to add it to the list. But yeah, it is biker's paradise down there. There is, yeah, as I was saying, it looked like last time I went there it was like a little cafe. But like the entire parking lot is just lined with bikers. So yeah, it's a pretty good little getaway. So it's about 30 minutes away from where we are currently. So let's crack on with it. And future Brendan, start the music. Because while we're out here, are they open? Oh, they are. Do I really want to? I need to pull over anyway because I think I went the wrong direction. Because if I remember correctly, that national park that wants us to go through has a toll. I kind of want to try, is it Binners? I think it's Binners. I haven't had them since the day that we did that video, all so long ago. Part of me really wants to visit them again. Let us pray to God, because I know one of these routes has a basically a toll that you have to pay to enter, and I'm not sure if this is taking us through that way. Because if it is, I'm a little fucked. So yeah, like I was saying back there, depending on which route you take to this location, one of them has you going through a national park. But in order to get through the national park, you have to pay a little toll. And it's only like a couple bucks. But there is the alternative route which takes you around the long way, which I'm hoping we're on, where you can avoid the toll, and to get back towards like home ways, you go through the national park for free though. So I'm hoping that this is the right way, otherwise I'm in for a shit time. Oh, this is a gorgeous place. I don't know where I am. I'll be straight up with you. None of this looks familiar. I think last time I came here, I was on my L's with the Ninja, and that would have been like, what, 5-6 years ago. Oh, coppers. Coppers. Holy crap, man. I just looked over the side of that balcony down there, and it's just a straight drop, and I can see a city. Yeah, it's the Royal National Park. It's the one that you don't want to go through if you're coming this way. Unless you feel like paying a toll, then feel free. But yeah, the National Park is a tolled entrance. The last time I came through here, you could enter through this way and be fine. There was no toll this way. There's another glimpse for you. I think I'm heading the right direction. I actually don't know, because I set the GPS for that bold lookout thing, Bold Hill Lookout, or whatever the hell it's called. Hopefully I'm in the right area. I'm still a bit iffy. Like, none of this looks familiar. None of it's triggering any form of remembrance for me. But look at that mountain, man. I have to actually crane my neck up to look up at that. Unbelievable. Oh man, my ears just went really funny. Oh yeah. Good thing I've been saving a yawn. So. Oh. Yep. Now there we go. Now I can hear again. Holy hell. Get a load of that, man. Gorgeous. I've never seen the water look so blue. Seacliff Bridge. I think this is where I want to be. I see no entry sign back there, but then it's a load vehicle, so I'm assuming I can come down here. Let's just drop a gear. This is definitely not where I wanted to be. Gloves come off again. I think, yeah, we went too far, I think. Let's go find a place where I have a better signal. I think I'm too low. Mr. Map, help a brother out. Maybe it is further down. This is not how I intended this video to go. I expected it to be a lot smoother. Oh wait, this might actually be it. Yeah, boy! Yes, this is it. Absolutely gorgeous. Get a load of this view. Stanwell tops. We got there in the end. So like I said, this is a very heavily touristy destination, but as you can see from the footage, this place is magnificent. It's peaceful. There is, as you can see, a long walkway all the way through, which allows you to either get your steps in or get your jog in, whatever, all while admiring an absolutely amazing view. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and this trip, be sure to hit the like and subscribe for more, and I will be seeing you very soon for another video. Until then, take care for now, and bye bye.